In this video, I'll be unboxing the HP LaserJet Pro 3001DW. It's a black and white laser printer, and in this video, I want to show you what's included and what's not included in this box. So let's get started. So right away, we have a few manuals, a quick start guide over here. And over here we have the printer. Let me get it out. On top of the printer, we can find the power cable that plugs in the back of the printer and the other side in your wall outlet. So this is the printer that I've just removed from the box. Right over here we can see that the toner cartridge comes pre-installed in the printer. You can replace it and remove it simply by pulling on this handle, but you don't have to do it since it comes included and installed already. Otherwise, in the front of the printer we have the paper input. This printer doesn't have any screens. The only control panel is these series of buttons. For the paper output, you need to extend this small flap over here so the paper don't fall on the ground. And in the back of the printer, we're gonna get a USB port over here if you want to connect the printer directly to your computer using a USB cable that is not included in the box. Down below we have an Ethernet port if you want to connect the printer directly to your Wi-Fi router or internet router. Again, the cable doesn't come included. And over here we have the power port where you're gonna plug this end of the power cable. Otherwise, there's nothing else on the back. This panel opens easily in case there's a paper jam, so you can remove the paper, close it, and continue printing. But overall, this is it. This is all that comes included with this HP LaserJet printer. Don't forget, the cartridge is installed already inside.